Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to Teachers Irene's English class. For today we are going to look at this topic which is cultural festivals in Malaysia. Okay, kita akan lihat cultural ni maksudnya kebudayaan, festivals maksudnya perayaan dan di sini ialah Malaysia. So what are the cultural festivals in Malaysia? When you were in Form 1, you already learned, okay, about the cultural festivals in Malaysia. We have Hari Raya, Chinese New Year, Deepavali. All these are festivals in Malaysia. So before that, I would like to guide you to pronounce the words and phrases correctly. So we are going to look at this, okay, festival, F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L, okay, festival. So in this you can see festivals in Malaysia. Ever joyful, so excited to celebrate, in harmony with various races, all together with full of love and cheer. So I will repeat again. I want you to listen carefully, and after this you can practice to pronounce the words and phrases, okay? Once again, we're going to look at these festivals in Malaysia, ever joyful, so excited to celebrate, in harmony with various races, all together with full of love and cheer. Okay, so after this, don't forget to practice. So now we are looking at these cultural festivals. I want you to name the cultural festivals according to the pictures. So can you guess what is this festival? This is called Festival of Light. So in Malaysia, this is what we call, yes, Deepavali. So you have to do some homework. Okay, you have to try to recall back how to spell Deepavali here. Okay, I want you to look at this. Okay, later you will see the festivals in Malaysia. There are 5 festivals that we are going to learn. As you can see here, first is Hari Raya Aidilfitri, Chinese New Year, Deepavali, Christmas, and Gawai Festival. So as you know, Hari Raya is celebrated by all the Muslims in Malaysia. Okay, and Chinese New Year is celebrated by all the Chinese in Malaysia, where Deepavali celebrated by the Hindus in Malaysia, Christmas celebrated by the Christians in Malaysia, and Gawai Festival celebrated by the Ibans in Sarawak. So we are going to look at this. So can you give a guess what are the cultural festivals here? So if you say this is Deepavali, you write the answer here, Deepavali. So what festival is this? Okay, I'm sure you know. This is what? Yes, this is Hari Raya Aidilfitri. How about this? This is what we call Gawai Festival, celebrated by the Ibans or the Dayak actually. Okay, Dayak in Sarawak. Okay, Dayak consists of Ibans, Bidayo. Okay, now look at this. This is very familiar with you. Okay, with the Christmas tree, usually it's called Christmas. Yes. How about this? Oranges and wearing red clothes. Okay, you can see the lantern here. Okay, this is about Chinese New Year. Okay, you can see the Samfu and Cheongsam. Okay, so I want you to write the answer here for the cultural festivals. Okay, then we will look at this table. Okay, as you can see, when we are learning about festivals, we are going to look at three main items. Okay, when we learn about festival, we are going to look at what are the festival. Okay, usually during their festival, what are the wish ataupun ucapan. Okay, then activity, what are the activities. Okay, then food ataupun makanan. Okay, makanan berkaitan perayaan tersebut. So look at this. First one is Hari Raya Aidilfitri. So for Hari Raya, usually Hari Raya, what are the wishes? Okay, either we can say Selamat Hari Raya or Eid Mubarak. Okay, Hari Raya is also celebrated by Muslims around the world. So certain places in the world, they wish Eid Mubarak. So for Malaysia, usually we will say Selamat Hari Raya, ucapan, yeah. So you can identify this according to the celebrations. Okay, how about Chinese New Year? This is very familiar. You always hear it, okay, in television or any festival event. Okay, when you visit your friends, your neighbors. Okay, besides saying 恭喜发财, this is how you pronounce it. Or you can say Happy Chinese New Year. Okay, so there are two types of wishes that you can wish your friends when you meet them during Chinese New Year. Okay? So, first, 恭喜发财, and second is Happy Chinese New Year. So, how about the activity here for Hari Raya? Okay, for Muslims during Hari Raya, the main activity you can see, they will pray at the mosque. Maksudnya, semayang di masjid. Okay, then they will visit friends and relatives. Ini ketara berlaku ketika hari raya. Okay, di mana mereka akan lawat kawan-kawan dan saudara mara. Okay, so untuk Chinese New Year, for Chinese New Year, the main thing about Chinese New Year is about reunion dinner with family members. Bila cakap pasal aktiviti Chinese New Year, this is very synonym with Chinese New Year. Usually kita lihat, China memang terkenal dengan reunion dinner, maksudnya seluruh keluarga akan berkumpul untuk makan besar. Reunion maksudnya bersatu, bersama. Okay, berkumpul bersama untuk makan malam. Dinner ialah makan malam bersama ahli keluarga. Okay, then decorate house with red items such as lanterns and ornaments. So for Chinese New Year biasanya very famous, we can see okay, they will decorate their house. Mereka akan hiasi rumah dengan benda-benda yang berwarna merah. Seperti apa? Lantern ni apa? Lantern ni ialah baru cikgu ingat dalam bahasa Melayu, lantern tu ialah tanglong yang dia gantung-gantung biasa kita nampak tu. So lanterns are okay, yang digantung-gantung tu berwarna merah, and ornaments maksudnya hiasan-hiasan, okay, yang berwarna merah. So for the food, okay, okay, very common, we can see for Hari Raya, the main food is ketupat, lemang, and rendang. My favorite. Then for Chinese New Year, okay, I'm sure you know every Chinese New Year, you can see mandarin oranges. Okay, this is the Chinese traditional food for Chinese New Year is mian kao and also cookies. Okay, so for Deepavali, Christmas, and Gawai festival. Okay, we will look at here. Okay, number 1. For Deepavali, the wish is, what are the wishes? Okay, either you can say very common, Happy Deepavali, or among Hindus, they will say Deepavali Vatakal. Deepavali Vatakal. Okay, so you can learn to say as well. Okay, for Christmas, the wish is Merry Christmas. And for Gawai festival is Happy Gawai. This is in English. But sometimes they have their own Iban language or their own native language they use to wish each other. Okay, kadang-kadang mereka guna bahasa mereka sendiri untuk mengucapkan selamat hari gawai. Okay, dalam bahasa Melayu lah. So dalam bahasa Inggeris, happy gawai. So what are the activity here? We can see for the activity, for Deepavali activities. Okay, first, pray at the temple. Almost similar to the Muslim. Muslim pray at the mosque. Okay, Hindu pray at the temple. Okay, semayang di kuil. Then they will light up lamps inside and outside the house. Akan nyalakan lampu di dalam, inside dan di luar rumah. Okay. For Christmas, how about Christmas? Christmas, we can see always decorate the Christmas tree. So during Christmas, everywhere you go in the shopping complex or anywhere, you will see certain places they will decorate the Christmas tree. And the main thing is about Christmas is exchange presents. Kalau Chinese New Year lebih kepada bagi ampau kan, aktiviti dia, tapi tak dinyatakan di sinilah. Okay, tapi untuk Christmas menukar hadiah, ini utama. Okay, kalau hari raya ada duit raya, tambah Cina, Chinese New Year ada duit tambah ada ampau, tapi Christmas dia tak ada ampau, dia lebih kepada hadiah. Okay, now Gawai Festival is the time where they gather with friends and family for Thanksgiving meals. Maksudnya mereka akan berkumpul bersama kawan-kawan dan sanak saudara, ahli keluarga untuk makan kesyukuran. Okay, untuk sama-sama berkumpul, macam mereka katakan kenduri kesyukuran. Thanksgiving ni maksudnya kesyukuran. Okay, lepas tu participate in traditional competitions. Ini yang lainnya daripada ada aktiviti di untuk hari raya Chinese New Year dia lain ya. Untuk Gawai Festival ni biasanya lah mereka ada pertandingan-pertandingan tertentu. Contoh yang cikgu tahu ialah pertandingan Ratu Cantik. Siapa perempuan yang paling cantik? Ini ratu dia. Contohlah, dan mereka ada pertandingan-pertandingan ketika perayaan ini. Okay. Kemudian mereka ada, let us look at the food. Okay, for Deepavali, Thosai, these are all the traditional food of Indians, right? So, Thosai, Muruku, and sweets. Okay, manis-manisan. Ini adalah food that been served usually during Deepavali. Okay, for Christmas, okay, they are famous for cakes, okay, gingerbread cookies. Ni cookies yang dibuat daripada halia ni. And pudding. Okay, so for Gawai Festival, their main food during Gawai is penganan cuan and manuk panso. Ini bahasa Iban ya. Mungkin ada yang tidak faham. Okay, so yang cikgu faham dekat sini, inilah makanan tradisional orang Iban. Okay, no. Cikgu tahu ni je. Manuk panso, dia sejenis ayam yang dimasak di dalam buluh. So ini adalah contoh-contoh makanan perayaan orang-orang yang terdapat, kaum-kaum yang terdapat di Malaysia. Okay, so that's all we can see for this part. Okay, so for this exercise, okay, it's very simple. Okay, based on the table just now, okay, based on the table, I want you to choose 4 correct answers for each festival. Maksudnya, look at this festival. Okay, I want you to use your color pencil and color 4 correct answer. Maksudnya, warnakan 4 jawapan yang betul bagi setiap perayaan ini. So, is this Merry Christmas? Mandarin oranges? What are the correct answer that describe about this festival? For example, if you say this is Chinese New Year, then you choose 4 answer about Chinese New Year. Then the second festival, okay, is Deepavali, for example. This is Christmas. This is Hari Raya. Okay, this is Gawai Festival. So it's very easy. You just need to choose for correct answer and color. Okay? So that's all for today's activity. Hope you can complete your task. See you again next week. Bye.